How to connect ProSeries to your Wi-Fi router. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your ProSeries control panel to your Wi-Fi router. From the home screen, select Menu at the bottom center area. Scroll until you see Settings. Select Wi-Fi. Enter your code. From here, you will get three options: Wi-Fi networks, Add network manually, and WPS. Select Wi-Fi networks. Find the network that you would like to connect to. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Hit Save. If you want to view the password, you can hit Show, or hit Connect and prompt it to connect to the router. You'll get a message that it's connected to the router, and you'll see your connected networks and other available networks on the home screen. That's all there is to it.